Hi. Welcome to Dayscape Projects. I'm Joanna, and Day assigned me to narrate her videos. Today, we will talk about this Craft Buddy die cutting machine, and take a look at Day's stencil collections. Let's start. Unboxing. Box inclusion. Instruction manual, 1-piece die cutting machine, and 2 pieces plates. Plates comparison. Plate A is thicker than plate B. A quick tour of Day's stencils. All links are in the description box or pinned in the comments section. How to use it. The stencils have 2 sides, the sharp side, and the smooth side. Place the plate A at the bottom part. Face the sharp side downward. Then place the plate B at the top part. If the paper will stack, find the tiny hole in the stencil, and use something to press it. Day is using big needle in this process. Things that won't fit. Stencils wider than 7.5 centimeters. Embossing folder. The solution is always check the dimension of dies before buying it. Or buy a bigger die cutting machine. Cutting plate issues. The cutting plate will have scratches over time. And the plate B became distorted. You can buy a replacement plate online, if needed. Thank you so much for supporting Day's channel. On behalf of Day, this is your AI voiceover Joanna, now, signing off.